Long short-term memory networks, also known as LSTM, are a type of recurrent neural network (RNN) architecture developed to address the challenge of learning long-term dependencies in data. Traditional RNNs cannot handle long-term dependencies due to the vanishing gradient problem, whereby gradients tend to become smaller and closer to zero, making it difficult for the model to learn the relationship between sequences of data that are far apart in time. LSTM networks are designed to solve this problem, enabling them to bear in mind previous data points or memories for long periods of time. This is achieved through the addition of several new components, such as input gates, forget gates, output gates, and memory cells. The main component of an LSTM network is the memory cell. A memory cell typically consists of a set of input and forget gates, allowing new inputs and outputs to be added and old invalid inputs and outputs to be forgotten, respectively. The input and forget gates, together with the memory cell, act as a kind of working memory in order to help the model remember important information and ignore unnecessary information that is not relevant to predicting the next data point in the sequence. When data is input into the LSTM network, the input gates decide whether they should allow the new data to be stored in the memory cell or ignored. The forget gates then decide how much of the existing memory state should be kept and how much should be forgotten. Once the memory cell is updated, the output gates determine the amount of output to be generated from the new inputs. Outputs can then be combined and fused with external information to predict the next data points in a time series. Although the main feature of LSTMs is their ability to maintain long-term memories, there are other benefits that have made them popular for various applications in the field of deep learning. For example, LSTMs are computationally efficient, can tend to generalize better than other types of RNNs, and can be easily parallelized across multiple GPUs, making them particularly well suited to applications such as natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision. In conclusion, LSTMs are a powerful type of RNN, with numerous advantages that make them well suited for a variety of applications. Their ability to capture long-term dependencies in data makes them invaluable for dealing with complex problems, such as capturing and representing complex natural language processing data. Furthermore, their ability to learn long-term dependencies without suffering from the problems associated with the vanishing gradient makes them a popular choice for many tasks.